Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. So I thought I owed you guys kind of a bit of a life update because I obviously was making a ton of content before Christmas and up to the new year, and then suddenly I disappeared again. The last 2 weeks have been a little bit crazy, if I'm being honest. We travelled a bunch, I've had a lot of friends in town, and I moved house, which you might be able to tell as my background has changed quite drastically. I am so excited. I actually moved in with my boyfriend, which is really exciting and lots of big change. And he already lived here before, but the house has a lot to do on it. It's a lot of construction going on, and I have been doing a few little home shops, so I'll be sure to share with you my purchases. I have a home goods and kind of other bits haul coming up very soon, so look out for that one. And I have noticed you guys seem to love most of my fashion content here on my channel, which I love making. It's my favourite part. So let me know if that is the type of content you want to see here on my channel by leaving me a comment down below. I also know quite a few people have asked for a what I eat in a day and a kind of workout style, like how I work out, how I stay fit video. So I'm working on the what I eat in a day this week, and then I'm gonna try and work out how to shoot how I work out, because I do a lot of classes, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna film in the classes, but let's see what I can do for you guys. And yeah, I'd love to know what else you want to see. I am really open to creating lots of content here on my channel, and I am super excited to be doing so. I feel like this is very rambly, so I'm going to wrap this up pretty soon. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still here, still making content, and I have so much good stuff coming up. So be sure to subscribe if you're not already, like I said. And yeah, hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!